National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton or near Beloit, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, East Troy, Clinton, Darien, Potter Lake, Richmond, LaGrange, Tiffany, Abels Corners, Tibbetts, Allens Grove, Millard, Avalon, Shapir, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, and Troy Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.